Alright, so the last little bit, we're going to write the equation of the image of f of x after each transformation. So in other words, we're putting it in function notation. Okay, so write the equation of the image after the transformation. First one, a horizontal translation of 5 units left. So we're starting with y equals f of x. If we're moving 5 units left, you will end up with, you're changing the x, so you have x plus 5. So y equals f of x plus 5. Part B, in function notation again, we would have, we're moving 3 units up, so y would be equal to f of x plus 3, or you'd have, this is another way you could write it, y minus 3 equals f of x. Both are correct. And the third example, part C, we have a translation m units right and p units down. So y will be equal to f of x minus m, and we're moving down, so we go minus p. Again, you could write it as y plus p equals f of x minus m. Okay, you're back. Any questions? No? Okay, on the next page, I'll just leave it as this. So you're given a function that's graphed, and you need to apply the indicated transformation. Y equals f of x minus 2. Dawson, what's happening using this transformation?
It's moving 2 units right.
Okay, so it's a horizontal translation, and we're moving 2 units right. So we haven't been given the equation, we haven't been given a table of values to show the ordered pairs. How am I going to move this 2 right? What should I do, Chris?
Move the lights like
Good. So first you want to figure out what are some important points. And you want to find all the endpoints. Okay, the endpoints that describe either a stop in the graph or a change in direction in the graph. So if I have a few key points that I first highlight, then I can take those and just simply move them 2 spaces to the right. Move them 2 spaces over, and then you get to have fun and connect the dots. Okay, and for fun, if you guys want to try the next one, you can. Give you a minute to do that. Okay, hopefully you know that you're moving left 3, and you're moving down 2. So again, start with some key points. And you're going to move them left 3, down 2. So count 3 spaces to the left and then down 2. And then connect the dots. And voila. So the last little bit of the notes, it talks about replacement notation versus mapping, and we've gone through both of those. So if you do want to go through them individually, feel free. Also, the last few questions are on point mapping, which we've already done. Okay, so you guys can get started.